The nafs as a false self can reason sometimes. It can be reasonable. Unreasonable, but reasonable, rational. Intellect is not just reason, it's a light that comes from the heart. It's a nur that comes from the heart that can help you navigate and put things in the proper place. Nafs can't do that when you're at the level of the nafs. And of course, the ruh is like the highest part of you, the spiritual part of you, the most untampered part of you, because trauma does not affect this level of your soul. Trauma does not affect this level of the soul. You can't be traumatized here. So it's like, for example, when we do meditation and you're able to like be aware of your body. Maybe we can practice this later if you like. You can become aware of your body. And you can be aware of your emotions. Yeah, I'm feeling anxious. I'm feeling angry. You can become aware of it. But then you can become aware of your thoughts. Have you ever meditated and like tracked your thoughts? So what's that mean about that witness part of you? It's not your thoughts. The witnessing part of you is not your thoughts or your emotions or your physical sensations. Who's that thing that's witnessing the thought? That's what? That's the ruh. That's your spirit. Thoughts are an order of reality lower than consciousness, pure consciousness. The ruh. Felt sense. Yeah, it's similar to it. We would say, no, thank you, it's very beautiful. We would say the felt sense is more of a bodily awareness. Yeah, actual, like the five senses. Sensing, hearing, touching, seeing, feelings, tasting. Did I get all of them? You got them. You know the five senses. Right? And that awareness of all of those things in the body, in the moment right now, that's the felt sense. There's actually a sixth, so there's five outer senses. We're not going to get into this today. But there's five outer senses and there's five inner senses. And the first of the inner senses is called the felt sense. It's called al-hiss al-mushtarak. The al-hiss, the sense, al-mushtarak, the gathered sense, the not compounded, the mushtarak, collective sense, which is the collective sense of all the five outer senses in one. That's the felt sense. Al-hiss al-mushtarak. But it's more of a bodily reality. It's not a higher spiritual reality. Okay. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah.